Welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet, and if you're new here, where have you been? Okay, so today's video is all about how to do a flat twist out on dry hair. And a few days ago I put out a video on just my previous videos about how to flat twist type 4 hair in 3 different ways. So if you haven't seen it, I'm going to give you a snippet of it right now. So you take your thumb, you part, and then you take your thumb again, and then you create a similar section. Make sure they're about the same. See that? Make sure they're about the same. And then because we're twisting backwards, we're taking this one to the back, and then we hold it like this. So you 2-strand twist down, okay? So you twist it the first time, and then you hold it, okay? So I'm holding it like this, I'm not twisting again. And I go again with my thumb, and I create a similar section, and then I part with this one, and I split it, okay? So I co-join this with this one going under, and I go back to the top like so. All right, so the next one is going to get attached to this. So thumb, create a section, split, yep, and then you join it to the single one, okay? And then there are 2. Okay, so now we have these 2, and then this is all we have left. So I'm going to divide it into 2 again. So 1 like this. It's really simple. My method is super simple. And then you grab, and then you join from the one coming underneath, okay? Like this. And then you just join this one to this one, and then you twist. All right, and then you twist. Okay, so once you twist to the end, this is what it looks like. You can tell that, look, see how it looks? Okay, so that's 1. So I've got 2 at the back, and then 2 in front. So I'm simply just going to hold it up. So just to twist in direction that is twisted, and then allow it to gently bend and pin it there. And then I'm going to do the same for this one. So this one goes like this.
If you wanna know what I'm thinking about you. And I don't really know what I'm doing if I do it without you. I could spend every single minute of every single day here. It's a little crazy, I admit it. I gotta know that you're near me, 'cause you're the best, you're the best, you're the best, you're the best thing, my one and only. You're the best, you're the best, you're the best, you're the best thing, best thing, best thing. When I look into the future and wonder what I'll do, yeah, everywhere I wanna go, wanna see you, wanna be with you, with you, with you. You're the best, you're the best, you're the best, you're the best thing. You're the best, you're the best, you're the best, you're the best thing, my one and only. You're the best, you're the best, you're the best, you're the best thing, best thing, best thing. You're the best, you're the best, you're the best, you're the best.
Open-minded was an overstatement. No, you're nothing like that. You can't ever seem to decide. Is she pretty? You're too picky, not my type or something like that. You can't seem to make up your mind. You do, you don't, you will, you won't. So what am I supposed to expect? respect when you don't even know it yet. You were always lukewarm about me. You never really cared enough to keep me around. You were always too cold to call me. You're so bored, you act like you've been watching matches burn.
I hope you all got that. And it's, as I said, it's super easy, super beginner friendly. The third way is particularly my best way to flat twist, especially if I don't want to thoroughly detangle but I still want to have that, you know, well-defined look. And then, so these are my results for my chunky flat twist. They're kind of exactly what I wanted because I wanted more volume as opposed to definition. So that's why I have my hair already this big. So it depends on you. If you want to know more about how to twist in different ways, make sure you view my how to twist tutorial here. It is my most popular video. Actually, I'm not sure because I have another video currently competing to overtake that. But yeah, it was my first video to hit 1 million views. So yes, I do know what I'm talking about when it comes to how to twist. So yeah. So please make sure to watch the how to flat twist tutorial to be able to learn how to do this, the complete video. I know it's a bit long, but I'm completely thorough and it will really help you in the long run. So make sure that you watch till the end. Thank you all so much for watching again. Don't forget to live well, live great, and have a blessed life. Take care now. Bye.
Just burn.